What if a single uncontrolled process could cause pollution, legal trouble, and damage an organization's reputation? That's why operational planning and control is a critical part of EMS. Operational planning and control ensures that daily activities are carried out in an environmentally responsible way. It must help organizations reduce risks and meet environmental objectives. Operational control involves identifying activities that have significant environmental impacts and establishing clear procedures. This includes documented work instructions, defined operating limits, regular equipment maintenance, and proper staff training. For example, waste handling procedures and chemical storage controls help prevent spills and pollution. These are guidelines that ensure smooth day-to-day operations. They help manage staff, equipment, and responses effectively. Next, we will explore methods for managing planned changes. Change is inevitable in EMS, so adaptability is crucial. Incorporate training sessions for staff on new protocols. This keeps everyone updated and enhances teamwork during crises. Our third point focuses on procurement considerations. Procurement involves acquiring the right resources for operations. Evaluate suppliers carefully to ensure quality and reliability. Always have backup plans for critical supplies and equipment. Changes such as new machinery or materials can introduce new environmental risks. Before implementing changes, organizations must train employees to ensure environmental protection. First, assess its need and train the staff. Then, update operational protocols to include the device. Finally, procure the necessary supplies and maintain inventory. Throughout this process, communication is key. Keep everyone informed to ensure a seamless transition. Summarizing, we covered operational control requirements, managing changes, and procurement. These elements work together for efficient EMS operations. By mastering these strategies, your EMS can improve response times and patient care. Start implementing these strategies today for better outcomes. In the next video we will discuss emergency preparedness. Stay connected with us. Thank you.